In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Turbotax account for 2025 using their app. This process is straightforward, and by the end you'll have your account ready, allowing you to smoothly handle your taxes. So let's get started. First things first, open up your preferred web browser on your device. You'll want to navigate directly to the Turbotax official website. The hallmark of this website is its commitment to making filing taxes easy for everyone, and you're here to take the first step by setting up your account, which is crucial for organizing and filing your taxes efficiently. Once you're on the Turbotax homepage, the next action you're looking for is the Sign Up button. It's typically located at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on this will guide you to the registration section where you can start your journey with Turbotax. Now that you've clicked Sign Up, you'll be directed to a page that prompts you to enter your personal details. This step is essential because Turbotax uses this information to create your individual profile, which will tailor its services to fit your tax needs. You'll need to input your email address, a password, and other personal information like your phone number. Be sure to use a strong password that you can remember, and consider using a password manager for added security. After entering all the necessary details, it's time to create your Intuit account by hitting the Create an Intuit Account button. Intuit is the parent company of Turbotax, and this account serves as your gateway to their suite of financial tools. This step is crucial as it finalizes your registration, and you'll have access to all the features Turbotax offers, helping you tackle your taxes with confidence. That's it! You've successfully created your Turbotax account. With your account ready, you're now equipped to navigate through the app and begin organizing your tax documents for the upcoming filing season. As a tip, take a moment to explore the app's features and familiarize yourself with its interface, so you know exactly where to go when tax season arrives. Setting up your account is the first step to taking control of your tax filing process, leveraging the convenience Turbotax provides. This preparation will save you time, reduce stress, and potentially increase your refund with accurate tax submissions. Thank you for joining me today, and happy tax filing. If you have any questions or run into any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Turbotax support, as they have a dedicated team ready to assist you. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and guides. See you next time.